here's how to disable or enable web content restriction on iPhone. First is go to the settings of your iPhone, click on screen time, and then click on content and privacy restrictions. Afterwards, click on App Store, Media, Web, and Games. And then afterwards, you will be redirected on this page. Now click on the web content options. Under the web content options, you will see there the unrestricted, limit adult websites, and only approved websites. Now, to enable web content restriction on iPhone, click on only approved websites and choose a websites that you wanted to restrict and you wanted to only view. You can also click on limit adult websites. Now, to disable, you can just go ahead and click on unrestricted. Now, make sure that the content and privacy restriction toggle is turned on so you can edit the restriction options under the website. Now, you can just go ahead and check if the green button is on or not.